In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your EveryDollar budget. We'll walk through the steps to make your budget truly reflect your financial picture and lifestyle. So let's dive in and personalize your budgeting experience. First things first, head over to the EveryDollar website and log into your account. Once you're in, it's time to set up your income. Enter all the sources of income you expect for the month. This can include your regular paychecks, any side gigs or freelance work, and other expected income, such as child support or benefits. A little tip here. Be realistic about what you'll receive. Only include income you're confident will land in your account this month. Next, it's time to add and customize your budget categories. EveryDollar provides basic categories like giving, savings, housing, transportation, and more. But remember, your budget should fit your life, not the other way around. Feel free to rename existing categories to better suit your needs. For example, you might change transportation to fuel and repairs. You can also create new custom categories, like pet expenses or vacation fund. And remember, if there are categories you don't use, go ahead and delete them to keep your budget streamlined. Now let's talk about budget groups and categories. EveryDollar organizes your budget with groups, making it easier to navigate. Groups might include sections like housing or insurance, while categories within these groups could be rent or water bill. You have the flexibility to add new groups, rename, delete, or reorder them for clarity. For instance, you could create a travel group with categories such as flights or accommodation. Once your groups and categories are set, assign a dollar amount to each line item using the zero-based budgeting method. This means that every dollar of your income is assigned to a category, ensuring that your income minus expenses equals zero. Doesn't mean you spend it all. It's about making sure every dollar works for you, whether it's going towards savings or paying down debt. Consider adding sinking funds for irregular expenses like car repairs or holiday gifts. A sinking fund is essentially a savings goal built over time, preventing unexpected costs from derailing your plans. Place these funds under a savings or future expenses category, giving you a cushion for those surprise expenses. If you're paid multiple times a month and you have access to EveryDollar's premium features, take advantage of the Paycheck Planner. This tool allows you to break your budget down by paycheck, helping manage bills due mid-month so nothing catches you off guard. Throughout the month, make budgeting a dynamic process. Track expenses as they come in, either manually or by letting the app import them for you with the premium version. Adjust your budget as needed to adapt to changes in your financial situation. Move funds between categories if something unexpected occurs. And lastly, at the end of each month, review your budget. Assess what worked well and identify areas for improvement. The more you customize and tweak your budget, the more it reflects your financial reality. Happy budgeting!